We have an ACT-like problem, and this is the level 2 problem, number 2. This would be like the problems found in numbers 20 through 29 on the ACT test. So let's dig in. The problem says Erica was supposed to call her mother at 9:15 a.m. However, her cell phone died and she couldn't call until 412 minutes later than expected. What time did she call her mother? So basically our problem is we want to start at 9:15 a.m. and we want to find out what time it will be 412 minutes later. The first thing we need to do is figure out how many hours there are in 412 minutes. Well, there's 60 minutes in an hour. So if your brain is not working real clearly, this is how to do it all with as little thought process as possible. Take 412 first of all and divide that by 60. And that's going to get you 6.86667. So it just repeats on and on. All we're interested in at this point is 6. That means there's 6 whole hours in 412 minutes. So now let's subtract that. How many minutes are in 6 hours? If we take 412, well, 6 times 60 gives us 360. 6 hours at 60 minutes each gives us 360 minutes. So how many minutes do we have left over now? We've got 52 minutes to account for. Okay, so from 9:15, when we add those 6 hours, now remember this is AM. So what happens when you go from 9:15, 6 hours later? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Now you're at 3:15 p.m. So that takes care of the 6 hours. Now let's account for the 52 minutes. Well, in 45 minutes, it's going to roll over to a new hour. So let's do the 45 first. Plus the 45 minutes gets us to 4 p.m. Now how many minutes do we have left over? 52 minus 45 gives us 7 minutes left. So 4:07. Okay? And like I said, that's not the real mathematical way. There's many other ways you can do elapsed time. You could change both of these to 24-hour time and subtract them easily. But a lot of people don't know how to do 24-hour time. So this is the easiest way I can tell you to do an elapsed time problem. Just kind of hack at it, minutes and hours, keeping in mind there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And there's 12 hours that go, you know, from AM to PM. So watch that when you switch. But 4:07 p.m. If you, whatever way you work this, if you get the right answer, that works.